We are here now, streets of Manila. So welcome to the jungle, the urban jungle again. Yeah, bye-bye, Bicha Pai.
Sa Gabi Nag-Ri-Ride, sa Gabi Nag-Vlo-Vlog.
Yeah, bye-bye, Picha Pai.
Okay, I think we're ready to go because we're starting out our light, our engines, and later on our wheel trap. Okay, nighttime ride. Let's go. This is one of our night ride today. Very short one, a very quick one, and riding along the nighttime ride. Heading those sharp curves again, and yeah, let's go. Oh, there's one light, huh? That's great. Okay, lights on. Yeah, bye bye, BJ, bye. Passing through the gate into the darkness. Here we go. Yeah, that's good. During this night time, you know, oh, there's a truck. Look at that. Look at that. That's a freaking truck there. That's a big one. You can see that. No one can see that. Okay, here we go. Night time is a very, very dangerous one. Don't know what's lurking inside. You don't know what's up ahead of the dark, very dark and cold. But anyway, it's not that cold today. It's just right because it's summertime. This is not the nighttime summertime, huh? Night ride summer. Yeah, get up, Bicha Pai. Look at that. Curves on the way. Yeah, bye-bye, Bicha Pai. We don't want to get smacked on the other side of the road, huh? And that's not good. You have to be having sharpness on your senses, and especially your eyesight. You have to be clear on that one, or else get smacked, or you will have that sense of perplex or surprising in your face like that. So it's okay. Yeah, bye-bye, Bicha Pai. We're here now. Okay. More energy. This is just a quick ride, and hey, this guy is almost maybe in front of me or what, no? Okay, somebody's not used to having balancing on top. Okay, here we go. What is that? The stone. Very short ride. Okay, we have a visor up because there's a lot of wind. Someone thinking me on the the invisible friend, imaginary friend. Good big line. Oh, black lady. Oh, yeah, Papa Bicha Pai. Let's go to the night time. See the brightness of my day. Yeah, going to the apex curve. Good one. I need to, what's this? That light? Someone. Yeah, Papa. They are not moving that bulldozer, no? Yeah, that's a big one, you know. Yeah, try to, inside the gate one. Be careful of the dog. Be careful of the dog. I'm not. Here we go. Returning to home bay. There's a lot of cars in our neighborhood now, huh? That's like, yeah, baby boy. That's a short, very, very short ride for this night, no? And yeah, returning to the garage. Whoa! Yeah, skid, look at that. Very short also. Yeah, sa Gabi Nag-Vlo-Vlog, Gabi Nag-Ri-Ride. Very traffic outside right now. Yeah, we're home. Yeah, bye-bye, BJ bye.
Hardware store.
Kuya, saan po yung parking ng motor? Dari po? Saan po parking ng motor?
Parking ako. Pagkala niyo sa pangalawang kanto, kanan. May mga signage tayo doon. Pakitang basement. So, flexible na tayo baba mo lang. Tapos patanggal ang helmet sir,